Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to unlink your Microsoft account from your PS4, especially if you connected it to games like Minecraft or Fortnite and now want to switch accounts. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open Minecraft or any linked game. Start by launching Minecraft or any game that uses your Microsoft login. Once it loads, go to the Settings or Profile tab. Step 2. Sign out from the Microsoft account. Scroll to the Account or Sign-in section and choose Sign Out of Microsoft Account. This removes the current link from your game profile on PS4. This is the key step most players miss. You have to unlink it inside the game itself, not just from PlayStation settings. Step 3. Clear saved account data. Optional. Go back to your PS4 home screen, open Settings, Storage, and Saved Data, PS4. Find the game like Minecraft and delete any saved Microsoft login data. Don't worry, this won't delete your worlds or game progress stored online. Step 4. Reconnect with a new Microsoft account, if needed. Now restart the game and select Sign In with a Microsoft account. Enter the new Microsoft credentials you want to use. Make sure it's not already linked to another PlayStation account. Important notes. You can't unlink Microsoft accounts through the PlayStation System menu, only from within the game. Once an account is linked, it can't be used again on a different PSN ID for the same game. Always double-check which Microsoft account you're linking before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Microsoft account from your PS4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple gaming guides.